Hello, aviation enthusiasts! Today, we are diving into the heart of India's aerospace prowess with a focus on a true marvel, the HAL Tejas, developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. This lightweight, multi-role fighter jet has not only captured the skies, but also the pride of the Indian Air Force. Join us as we unravel the story of India's indigenous fighter aircraft. To truly appreciate the Tejas, we need to go back to the 1960s when the Indian Air Force sought a modern replacement for its powerful MiG-21s. Thus began the Light Combat Aircraft LCA program in 1969, led by the Aeronautical Development Agency. Fast forward to 2001, and the Tejas prototype took its first flight, marking the beginning of an incredible journey. Over the years, the Tejas underwent rigorous testing, modifications and advancements. In 2016, it received its initial operational clearance, and in 2018, the Mark AI variant showcased enhanced capabilities. Fast forward to 2022, and the Tejas Mark II is on the horizon, featuring stealth features and an advanced radar system. Now let's dive into what makes the Tejas. Its tailless compound delta wing design provides exceptional maneuverability, aided by a digital fly-by-wire flight control system. The Tejas is armed with a variety of weapons, from air-to-air missiles to air-to-surface munitions, making it a versatile powerhouse in the skies. From the initial Tejas Mark I to the enhanced Mark I and the upcoming Mark II, each variant builds upon the strengths of its predecessor, showcasing India's commitment to technological advancement in the aerospace domain. What sets the HAL Tejas apart? Its tailless delta configuration and powerful General Electric F4O for GE-in-2O turbofan engine enable it to reach speeds of up to Mach 1.6, making it a formidable adversary in aerial combat. The Tejas is not just a fighter, it's a multi-role aircraft, from air-to-air combat to precision strikes with air-to-surface missiles. The Tejas adapts to various missions seamlessly. Its reconnaissance capabilities add another layer of versatility, making it a valuable asset for the Indian Air Force. Cost-effectiveness is a crucial factor, and the indigenous development and production processes contribute to competitive pricing, making it an attractive option for both domestic and export markets. Let's talk technology. The Tejas is equipped with cutting-edge avionics, including the LOM-205-2A ESA radar. Its electronic warfare switch ensures it remains a step ahead in the dynamic landscape of modern warfare. In conclusion, the Hull Tejas LCA stands not just as a fighter jet, but as a symbol of India's growing capabilities in aerospace technology. Its development reflects India's commitment to self-reliance in defense manufacturing, showcasing the nation's ability to design, develop and produce advanced fighter jets. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the skies with the HAL Tejas. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep soaring high and stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of aviation.